Hello and welcome to the Mint Report. This is our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Biocon announces major new investment in Malaysia. Petroleum Secretary says jurisdiction issues still need to be worked out in Cairn deal. And Indian hotels report second quarter losses. We start with Biocon, which is entering the Malaysian market in a big way. On Wednesday, the company announced it would set up a manufacturing and R&D facility in the country. Biocon will make an initial investment of $161 million, and its facility will be up by 2014. Chairman Kiran Majumdar-Shah said Biocon would continue investing in its Malaysian unit, which would focus on products like top-end biosimilars. Earlier this month, Biocon signed a $350 million deal with Pfizer to sell 4 of its diabetes drugs globally. And Biocon shares lost ground on Wednesday, along with overall markets. They ended trade on the BSE at 430 rupees and 45 paise. That's a fall of 0.3. Meanwhile, Cairn Energy may be confident about seeing through its deal with Vedanta, but the government has concerns of its own. On Wednesday, Petroleum Secretary S. Sundaresan said his ministry was still considering issues of jurisdiction. He added that while the government remained neutral about the deal, Cairn still needed approval for every one of its blocks. One potential hurdle is still government-run ONGC, which is a partner in one of Cairn India's most productive oil blocks. Vedanta's proposed deal to buy a controlling stake in Cairn could be worth up to $9.6 billion. And also in corporate, the Tata Group is all set to increase its stake in Indian hotels. It's going to get 3.6 crore equity shares and 4.8 crore warrants for a cash payment. And Wednesday's announcement came even as Indian Hotels announced its quarterly results. It registered a net loss of about 6 crores compared to a profit of 12 crores in the same period last year. Net sales went up 7% to 329, and its shares fell 3.2% on the BSE to around 99. Indian Hotels, of course, runs Taj Hotel Resorts and Ginger all across India. Meanwhile, also in corporate numbers, Patni Computer Systems has reported a decline. Its quarterly profit fell 14% to 145 crores. Revenues went up a mere 6.5 to 872. Patni said a large dividend payment in August ate into its profits, and unlike the optimistic projections from bigger IT companies, its guidance for the next quarter show flat revenue growth and a fall in profits. Its shares on the BSE ended Wednesday with virtually no change at about 465. And finally, Indian markets ended in the red on Wednesday with a poor showing from global bourses and monthly derivatives contracts set to end. The Sensex lost 216 points to close at about 20,000, and the Nifty fell 69 to wind up at 6,013. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching.